Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to check your RAM and storage maximum capacity. I have Asus K15 OLED and it has 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD and 1TB SATA hard disk in default. First, let's check the RAM. Go to taskbar by pressing Windows plus Shift plus Escape, then click on the Performance tab. You can see my RAM speed is 3200 MHz and I had earlier 8GB of RAM which was divided into two 4GB RAM sticks, but I upgraded into 24GB of RAM. Please note I have one 4GB RAM stick soldered into my lappy, which means I can change only one RAM sticks. Now let's check its maximum capacity. Press Ctrl plus R, then type CMD. Now in command prompt, paste the prompt from the description below. After this, you can check it give us two data output, maximum capacity and memory devices. Now open your calculator to calculate your maximum RAM capacity. First, copy the maximum capacity number and divide this number with the memory devices number. Then divide the result with 1024 twice. You can see we get the maximum RAM capacity of the laptop, which in my case is 16, which means I can add 16GB RAM sticks each. But as I have one RAM slot soldered, I can add one 16GB RAM stick, which makes my laptop maximum RAM 16 plus 4 equals to 20GB of RAM. To check the SSD maximum capacity, you can go through the laptop's manual or you can Google it by searching with your model number. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. See you in the next one.